All right, I hope everyone can hear me. So this is Chandra, everyone. Today I will be presenting my work on an enterprise customer support chatbot powered by FLAN T5 and enhanced with responsible AI guardrails. The goal is of this work is not just to build an intelligent chatbot, but also to ensure it is safe, compliant, and enterprise ready. I will walk you through the problem, solution design, and results. Moving to the next slide. The main content of this, I will briefly cover the background and motivation, followed by the methodology and system design. Then I will share the results and performance metrics. Finally, I will focus and I will close with the key takeaways and future improvements. At a high level, this solution improves customer support using AI chatbots while addressing compliance and ethical concerns. We used a data set of about 2 million customer interactions to train the model. The key innovation is combining the FLAN T5 language model with a responsible AI governance layer that filter and validate responses. The result shows strong performance, low latency, and high accuracy, and zero safety violation. So overall, this approach ensures both efficiency and trust. Let me jump to the next slide where we can talk about the introduction real quick. In today's digital world, as you know, customers expect fast and accurate support 24/7. AI chatbot helps meet this demand by enabling real-time, multi-channel interactions. However, deploying these systems at a scale introduce risks such as privacy risk, legal compliance, and bias responses. That's why responsible AI is critical. It ensures transparency, fairness, and safety. This work focuses on building a chatbot that is not only intelligent, but also governance, and trustworthy. Let me move to the next slide where we will talk about literature review. It's an existing research you can see in the left side showed a strong advancement in AI model like BERT and retrieval-based system. These approach improve accuracy and contextual understanding. However, they often lack governance mechanism for safety and compliance. There are also challenges with scalability in real-world deployment. This gap motivate our approach of integrating LLM with policy-driven guardrail. So let's talk about the methodology. What is the design we have? So let me walk you through the system design. We start by collecting and pre-processing customer support data, including masking sensitive information. Next, we reconstruct conversation and classify user input. The FLAN T5 model generates responses based on context. Then a responsible AI layer check for safety, compliance, and policy violation before sending the response. Finally, all interactions are logged for monitoring and auditing purpose. So here's the result. This slide shows how the system handles risky scenario. For example, case involving personal data or legal claims are flagged as unsafe. The system automatically takes collective action like masking sensitive information or modifying responses. Even if a response is technically valid, it can still be blocked if it violates the policies. This ensures strong compliance and risk control. Continue on, the result is here we are doing some evaluate system performance. The chatbot maintained an average response time of around 224 milliseconds. There was zero safety error or policy failure during evaluation. Only about 20% of responses required minor modification. If you see the overall, the system achieves a strong balance between speed, accuracy, and compliance. This slide shows the chatbot interface. You see there are two screenshots. The system provides real-time insights such as intent detection, sentiments, and compliance status. The dashboard helps track performance, metrics, and system health, which is the right side. This makes it easier for enterprise to monitor and optimize chatbot performance. It's a key feature for operational visibility. Here we are focused on the governance and auditability. All conversations are logged in a structured format for tracking and analysis. The policy engine enforces rules related to privacy, safety, and legal compliance. This ensures accountability and transparency in AI operation. Like we have capabilities are essential for regulated industries. Continuation of the result, this slide is highlighting the system flexibility, which is very important because going to the one environment to another environment or adapting the something new model or extending or making an extension, it's important to be flexible. So here we can configure parameters like response length, temperature, session limits. It also supports safety filters and escalation to human agent if needed. This adaptability makes the solution suitable for different enterprise scenarios. Moving to the conclusion. To conclude, the AI chatbot significantly improve customer support efficiency. This approach combines FLAN T5 with responsible AI to ensure response are safe and compliant. System achieves strong performance with low latency and zero violation. However, there are some challenges remain in building complex queries and reducing bias. Future work, we will focus on advanced models, maybe multimodal capabilities, and continuous learning the model so that it can produce the better result. Thank you for having me.